Hello students, today we are going to see how to convert haloalkane into ester. The second one, how do we get even number of alkane and odd number of alkane. Today we are going to see that one. Okay, the first one, how to convert haloalkane into ester. The first one, what it is, RX, haloalkane combined with silver salt of carboxylic acid. What is it? Silver salt of carboxylic acid? CH3COO. Carboxylic acid, Ag, silver salt. So, silver acetate, I said in a different way. Yes. Haloalkane combined with silver acetate in the presence of alcohol. You are getting what it is. This halide ion combined with silver, you will get silver halide, and remaining what it is are COOCH3. Now I just go straight away to that example. Ethyl chloride, CH3 CH2 Cl combined with, I just put it ulta here, Ag COO CH3. So this is, we can say, silver acetate or silver salt of carboxylic acid. Anything we can say in the presence of alcohol. So what is the product you are going to receive? CH3, CH2, COO, CH3. So ethyl acetate. What do we call? Ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate is nothing. Ester. Ester. Yes, you got that answer, Ester. The second one, how do we get even number of alkane? That is nothing. Very simple. Yes, let us go for the second question. Hope you're clear with that. First question. Now, action on lithium aluminum hydride. That example, ethyl chloride, I just take it, CH3, CH2, Cl combined with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of dry ether. Dry ether. So what is the product you will be getting? Yes, lithium chloride also you will be getting, aluminum chloride also you will be getting. So lithium chloride plus AlCl3, aluminum chloride formula AlCl3. That means here something is missing here. So I just put it here for, because hydride ion acts as a, here in this place, hydrogen atom acts as a nucleophile. Yes, it's which is going to attack that chloride ion. So that means here 4. I just put it CH3, CH2, hydrogen. So totally I can write it CH3, CH3. So that means here what is this? Ethane. Hope you're clear. Hope you're clear with this. 4. This is 4. Okay, the next one, how to get odd number of haloalkane. That is very simple. Here CH3, third one, this is the second one, and third one, that is the first one. Okay, now this is CH3 CH2 Cl combined with methyl lithium. What do we call? Methyl lithium. Okay, so these two things which will go and attach. So automatically you will get what it is, CH3, CH2, CH3. What do we call this one? Propane. Odd number of alkane. Hope you're clear with this. Thanks for watching.